how to enable or disable magnifier shortcut on the Samsung Galaxy S24 series. First, tap on the home button to return back to the home screen. Then swipe down at the top and then tap on the settings icon. Next, we scroll down and in here tap on accessibility, then tap on vision enhancements. After that, we scroll down and then tap on magnifier. Now tap on the magnifier shortcut toggle button to switch it off or turn it on. You can also tap on the left hand side panel in here and then you can choose which shortcuts to use. In here we have 3 different shortcuts that you could turn on. Tap accessibility button, press side and volume up buttons, and finally press and hold volume up and down buttons for 3 seconds. So you can activate all 3 or some of them. So here, if I press on the volume up plus the side button, that will bring up the menu, and here I can tap on magnifier to turn on magnifier. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.